100 kalimat bahasa Inggris untuk pemula.
I can see you. No, I don't want. See you. See you. I don't like it. I don't like it. Get well soon. Get well soon. I am busy. I am busy. I am busy right now. I am busy right now. I don't agree. I don't agree. I don't agree with you. I don't agree with you. Cheer up. Cheer up. Come on. Come on. Come on. Don't move. Don't move. Don't move. Don't move it. Don't move it. Don't move it. Are you done? Are you done? Are you done? Are you done eating? Are you done eating? Are you done eating? Are you there? Are you there? I like cats. I like cats. I like dog. I like dog. I like dog. I like my family. I like my family. I like sports. I like sports. I like sports too. I like sports too. She likes science. She likes science. He likes puppies. He likes puppies. How come? How come? How come? Look at me. Look at me. Look at me. Look at this. Look at this. Look at this. I am bored. I am bored. I am bored at home. I am bored at home. I am read a book. I am read a book. I wear my school uniform. I wear my school uniform. Where is from? Where is from? I have new friends. I have new friends. I'm ready. I'm ready. I'm really sorry. I'm really sorry. I love my parents. I love my parents. I need go to the restroom. I need go to the restroom.
I go to school. I go to school.
May I come in? May I come in? May I know your name? May I know your name? I comb my hair. I comb my hair. Happy birthday. Happy birthday. I tie my shoes. I tie my shoes.
That is a pen. That is a pen. How old are you? How old are you? What is your name? What is your name? All right. All right. I opened the door. I opened the door. What is your favorite color? What is your favorite color? It's 8 o'clock. It's 8 o'clock. I like to eat pizza. I like to eat pizza. You look sad. You look sad. Where do you live? Where do you live? I wake up early in the morning. I wake up early in the morning. Who is your best friend? Who is your best friend? My father is in his office. My father is in his office. I walk to school. I walk to school. Today is a sunny day. Today is a sunny day. My favorite color is yellow. My favorite color is yellow. There is a cat. There is a cat. Where is your sister? Where is your sister? Where am I? Where am I? I love playing football. I love playing football. My mom cooks delicious food. My mom cooks delicious food. I have 4 siblings. I have 4 siblings. I study in the morning. I study in the morning. My exam is tomorrow. My exam is tomorrow. My father is working. My father is working. I'm doing my homework. I'm doing my homework. I am going to sleep. I am going to sleep. What are you eating? What are you eating? I am waiting for a friend. I am waiting for a friend. I am eating a cake. I am eating a cake. I cannot play the guitar. I cannot play the guitar. Do you live in Indonesia? Do you live in Indonesia? My father is very strong. My father is very strong. This is a mango. This is a mango. I brush my teeth. I brush my teeth. I brush my teeth twice a day. I brush my teeth twice a day. I want to eat something. I want to eat something. I like to eat ice cream. I like to eat ice cream. How have you been? How have you been? Don't ask me. Don't ask me. Don't lie. Don't lie. How should I know? How should I know? When is your birthday? When is your birthday? What year were you born? What year were you born? What about you? What about you? How many brothers do you have? How many brothers do you have? Do you have any pets? Do you have any pets? I didn't do it. I didn't do it. Let's do this. Let's do this. Follow me. Follow me. Is that true? Is that true? It's up to you. It's up to you. I apologize. I apologize. I feel much better. I feel much better. How much does it cost? How much does it cost?